So welcome back to another video, everyone. As you've just seen, made myself a nice coffee and I put this box down. So for those that don't know, over the winter period I've been looking after my dad's car. It's a little Tiger Avon Roadster. There is a video somewhere on the channel if you want to go and have a look at it. I took it out on the road a couple of times since it's been here, but obviously with the winter weather and with it being like a little Lotus 7 type car, you can imagine it's not the warmest of things to drive it when the weather's been bad. So it's been sat in the garage, and it's coming up to that time now where the weather's getting a little bit better. The car's probably going to need to come out, have a bit of a wash and get ready for the summer roads. My old man popped over on Sunday and he dropped this off. So this is an ultimate speed car battery charger. Now, I won't lie, and he does watch my videos, he's probably going to be like, oh, you're using it on your video, are you? But I did say to him that I'm not plugging that in my house. It'll probably set my house on fire. It is from Lidl and it's cost £13, but you know, it's all stamped up, so it's obviously passed the regulations, whatever they may be, so it must be up to standard. It must be a good piece of kit. So I think we'll have a bit of a chat, we'll have a look at the box, we'll unbox it together, and then we'll plug it in and we'll put the battery on charge on the car. So as you can see, and to start with, it's got ultimate speed car battery charger. And to be fair, although I did say not plugging that in my house, it does look like a quality item. And like my dad said, if he gets one use out of it, it charges the battery once. That's cheaper than buying a new battery for his car. So let's have a look at it then. So as you can see, I've just took it out of the box. This is what the box looks like. It's from Lidl. It says it's for all 6 volt and 12 volt cars and motorcycle batteries with 1.2 to 120 amps an hour capacity. Reverse polarity, short circuit and overload protection. You can see here it says it's got a FLIRT, it focuses, a FLIRT processor, which stands for Full Logic Intelligence Regulation Technology. And again it says it here, intelligence microprocessor control with diagnostics program and full automatic charging process. 4 programs for optimum adaptation to battery type, post charge and recharge flat batteries, LCD display for charging programs, voltage value and charge status. So as you'd expect then with the camera, I'm just trying to put the camera back down. So as you'd expect then with these, there's not much information. As you'd expect, there's a manual that tells you how to use it, and this is the actual unit itself. Wires are a bit tangled. There. So you can see you've got positive and negative for your batteries. Again, although my reservations said I weren't going to use it, they do feel quality. They do look very sturdy clips. You can see in there where, and same on that side. Again, this feels very rugged and very tough. So what we'll do is we'll give it a bit of a plug in to see what it's like when it powers on. There she is. There she is then. This is the Tiger Avon Roadster. Like I say, there is another video somewhere on the channel where I've just took it out. I think it's actually called Taking the Tiger for an Haircut. Bit of clickbait there. I went for an haircut and I went in this. I think that was actually the last time I drove the car. That was probably in November, I think. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. I've already set up here, as you can see, an extension lead where the dryer, shout out Indeset, that's where the dryer is plugged into. Apologies for the poor lighting and the bit of a mess. You can see it's only a little garage and we've got quite a lot crammed in here. So we'll get this off and then we'll look to disconnect the battery properly, and then we'll hook up this battery charger and we'll see how it works. Right, so this isn't the greatest angle. I'm a bit skeptical of how this is. Right, so this isn't the greatest angle. As you can see, I'm bent down, but kind of working in a confined space. This is the all we can do with. So I'm just going to take the bonnet off. It's nice and easy on this. There's a clip here, there's a clip at the back. Same on this side, clip here, clip at the back. I've already unclipped and you can probably see the bonnet's not on because I've unclipped them. We're just going to lift it out of the way. So what I'm going to do is lift it up, and for now I'm just going to pop it inside the cab here. As you can see, that exposes the 4 2-litre. Closer look then, see this is the nose. 4 2-litre Pinto here, pipe across, air filter on the side. I am going to do probably a driving video when the battery's charged, a little bit more in depth maybe. If you want to see that, well, that'll be part of this video, I suppose. We'll get it out. But you can see we've exposed the battery at the top. So my dad's already disconnected the negative. We're going to disconnect the positive. And I'm hoping that from the extension lead to here, that this new charger will work. If not, then I'll have to pop the battery out. So let's get a 10mm spanner. Try again. That's tightening. Ooh, we're not getting in there. Here we go. That's nice and loose. So that terminal should just pop off. There we go. Tuck that down there out of the way. Now, let's hook up our nice new battery charger. This is a lot harder than I thought it'd be in such a confined space. Shout out Snap On. For those that have seen it on Instagram, this is the toolbox that my dad had when he was a young lad. He's an old man now, and I know you watch his videos, so I know you're not going to be happy with that. But yeah, this is the toolbox he gave me. So as you can see then, we've hooked up positive to positive, negative to negative. Quite a nice reach. As you can see, it comes down here and it fits just fine. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. So it's actually picking up. It's actually picking up that the battery's got 11.9 volts, and I don't think you can see it. There you go. So is that saying motorcycle? No, that's car. That's cold. So we're going to go car battery. As you can see, I think this here, as it focuses, this little bar here is saying that the battery is dead. So hence why we're putting it on charge. See, it's going up. So yeah, I'm hoping this will get the battery charged. And the next part of this video, then, nearly fell over. The next part of the video is going to be seeing if this has worked, and if it has, then massive thumbs up to the £13 Lidl. Dad, I'm sorry. If this works, I'm sorry that I slagged off your new tool. And we'll get the Tiger out, and we'll go for a bit of a spring blast, hopefully. This video will catch up, and it won't be today. I've got some other things, bits and pieces to do for the rest of the day, but it'll be a part of this video, but it'll be in a couple of days time when we film it. So hope you've enjoyed. One last thing, if you've watched the video to this far, please give us a subscribe. I'm currently on 45 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 50 by June. It's now March, so I only need 5 more subscribers, and I've got my 50 target. I am speaking to a few different companies, if you like, to do a bit of a giveaway when I get to 50 subscribers. I think I've got one who's on board, but I won't give too much that way in this video. That'll be for a later video when I do hit the 50 subscribers. So thank you very much.